Alright, today I'm going to show you how to clear your Google Chrome browser history. First, we just hit the three little dots, go to Settings, then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Advanced. And then once you click on that, scroll down more to where you find Clear Browsing Data. And then you get defaulted right away to the basic, but you want to select Advanced, and then make sure you select All Time, and then you check Browsing History, Download cookies and site data, cache images and files. And what this does is if once you view a website, usually it caches images, downloaded files, sometimes even error messages when you view a page and it shows you an error and you're like, hey, I just fixed that. Why is it not doing that on this computer? Sometimes you do have to clear your cached images and files. Usually programmers kind of do this when they're programming something. They change an image on a website, but it's not reflecting. Usually it's just cached in your browser. So that's why we're going to go ahead and clear this. So you just hit clear data. It takes a couple of seconds if you have a lot. And once that's done, you just close the browser and reopen, and you should be all set. And also, if you don't want to do that, sometimes you can use the incognito window to view uncached images as well. So you can give that a try if it doesn't work. All right, thanks.